As an audio product reviewer, I get to test out every new model of AirPods, and I've come to realize that there are a couple of settings and features that are absolutely crucial to make sure you get right when first setting them up to save yourself headaches and pain down the road. So if you want to prevent Siri from reading out hundreds of annoying notifications every day, or make sure you don't lose your earbuds in the future, well, these are the AirPods settings that you need to make sure you get right when you set up your new AirPods. The first setting I like to change with my AirPods is to disable the Announce Notifications feature. Apple's Announce Notification feature is good in theory, having Siri read out messages to you, but personally, when I'm in the middle of a workout and I'm immersed in my music, I hate being interrupted by Siri letting me know that the Lakers won a basketball game tonight. I mean, I don't need all of my notifications being read out by Siri all the time on my AirPods. If your AirPods have already been set up, you can still adjust these settings by opening the Settings app on your iPhone, going to Notifications, and then Announce Notifications, and toggling off headphones. Now, Siri won't interrupt your music or podcasts with every incoming message. If you like this feature, but only want important messages coming through, you can also customize it so only certain apps or contacts announce notifications. If you want the best spatial audio experience, you need to make sure that you set up the Personalize spatial audio feature with your new AirPods. Apple uses your iPhone's front-facing camera to map your ear shape, adjusting the sound for a more immersive experience. Here's how to set it up. Open Settings and then go to Bluetooth, tap the eye next to your AirPods, select Personalize Spatial Audio, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on the shape of your ears, you might notice a significant improvement in the spatial audio effect after enabling Personalized Spatial Audio. Now, listening to music at a high volume on your AirPods for long periods of time can cause permanent noise-induced hearing loss. For that reason, it's important to set up the volume limit feature on your AirPods. To set a safe volume limit, follow these steps. First, open the Settings app and then head to Sounds and Haptics. Tap on Headphone Safety, and then toggle on Reduce Loud Audio and adjust the decibel limit. 85 decibels is a safe choice for a few hours of listening. I've also found this setting helpful to make sure that I don't accidentally blast my ears when switching between different apps that have different volume levels. One of my favorite features of the newer models of AirPods, such as the AirPods 4 and AirPods Pro 2, is called Conversation Awareness. This automatically lowers the level of your media that you have playing and then enables transparency mode as soon as you start talking, so you can have a quick conversation without having to take off your earbuds. To enable Conversation Awareness, head to the Settings app and then open up Bluetooth, tap the eye next to your AirPods, and then toggle on Conversation Awareness. You can also activate Conversation Awareness directly from the control center on your iOS device. Now, since AirPods have tiny lithium batteries inside them, well, they aren't really meant to last more than a few years. Your batteries will degrade over time, and eventually you'll find you can only listen to music for an hour or two before they die. That said, there is one very important feature that you need to turn on to extend the lifespan of your AirPods. The optimized battery charging feature limits the charging of batteries to only 80% when you aren't using them. To turn this on, open Settings and then tap on your AirPods and toggle on Optimized Battery Charging. This will slow charging past 80% when your AirPods are plugged in for long periods. With optimized battery charging enabled, you can rest easy knowing that your expensive earbud investment will last more than a few years of use. Now, everyone knows that losing AirPods is way too easy. They can fall out of your ears, fall out of the case, or the case itself can fall out of your pocket, and therefore it's super important to turn on the Find My feature with your new AirPods. This allows you to track your AirPods and even play a sound out of them if they're hiding under a couch cushion so that you can easily locate them. To enable Find My AirPods, open the Find My app on your phone, tap Devices, select your AirPods, and then ensure the Find My network is on. Now you don't have to worry about losing your AirPods. And that's also all the settings that I like to have set up when I first start using my AirPods. But what about you? Is there a certain setting or feature that I missed that you always make sure to turn on or off when using your AirPods? Let us know down in the comments. And if you want to learn more about what we think of the new AirPods 4, including our objective data and measurements, make sure to check out our full video review here, where we put the AirPods 4 and AirPods 4 with ANC through their paces to find out if they're actually worth the money. Till next time, I'm Chase Bernath from SoundGuys, and as always, happy listening.